Egypt produces 5.4 million metric tons of plastic annually. This has made the Arab world one of the biggest plastic polluters. The Office of Sustainability in AUC has collaborated with Nestlé to install the reverse vending machine to encourage students to recycle their plastic waste. The machine is located next to the main cafeteria entrance Tsebo. Any used bottles could be recycled instead of throwing them as waste, and they can become new bottles.
If we are going to talk about the Nestle project on campus, they call it the reverse machine for collecting single-use plastic bottles. This project is one of the initiatives that we have on campus in order to raise awareness for all AUC community for the importance of collecting single-use plastic, or trying to minimize actually the use of plastic on the campus, and even this is the main thing that it's around the world. They are trying to have more awareness campaigns about collecting plastic bottles and recycling it.
Plastic should be a resource rather than a waste to protect the environment from plastic pollution and prevent spreading of diseases. Having the recycling machine on campus is a way to encourage AUC community to act positively, to protect the environment and make the campus more sustainable.
Always trying to have collaborations between AUC and the multinational companies, part of their CSR projects, in order to raise awareness for AUC community, staff, faculty members, students, which are the main stakeholders on AUC, that we are trying always to have one of to make them always know what it's going on for the projects of the waste management across the world now.
I actually like this new machine that we're having on campus to recycle all the plastic bottles that we get to use, and I think this is a really great opportunity to help in saving the environment from all the plastic waste that we've been suffering from. So I really like this initiative on campus, and that we have now a machine that we can use to recycle any plastic bottles that we use.
By using the recycling machine and putting the bottles inside, you don't only recycle the old bottles to produce new bottles, but you also get rewarded because you acted friendly to the environment and you contribute to create new economic opportunity. Hoda Al Nahlawy, AUCTV, Cairo.